Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Day One Day. Uh, Today, we're going to talk about agentic AI workflow. So let's start with our curious question. What if AI could act on its own, such as plan, decide, and adopt, like just like a real world agent, as you have seen in Mission Impossible movie, right? So I wanted to think that is where it's going to be agentic AI workflows. So what is a agentic AI? Is a system that autonomously precisely plan and execute a task instead of a single step output like classic LLM prompts, which you have seen that. So agentic AI builds multiple step strategies to achieve complex goals. So let's talk about some of the key components of our agentic workflow. Goal, what does the agent wants to accomplish? Planning to break a goal into smaller actions. Actions call tools, APIs, search engines, and database connections or querying the data. Observations, technically analyzing results. Did it succeed or failed? Blah, blah, blah. And memory and reflection, which learn from your previous steps, uh, capturing to be in context. And adoption, update a plan if necessary, and continue the next step. Why agentic AI matters here? Some of our benefits is autonomy, where AI can act without a constant prompt, and adaptability also can handle dynamic real-world tasks and multi-step reasoning, which go beyond simple Q&A, and it can strategize itself. So bottom line is an agentic AI workflow shift from a prompt to output to a machine with a successful strategy. So that is one of our biggest one. So let's take a simple example here to understand uh, finding a best laptop under $1,000. Uh, if you assume that is a task, and we can plan is a search, compare, and summarize for you. So go back to action here. What are we are calling out the spot? It can use a search tools, scrape a specs from a sites, and it can summarize into a table format in comparison point. Right? Now, if I go back to observation section, check if a laptop meets your budget, which is $1,000 based on or less than $1,000. The requirement is, and your reflection can be, if not, adjust a price range. So that can be done. If there is no laptops under 1,000, maybe you can set a threshold. You can increase 20% or $200. Right? That is where the reflection you're doing it and adoption is going to be. All right. So the final takeaway on the agentic AI is not just answering; it's thinking, adopting, and succeeding like an intelligence assistant. In the next leap of an AI-driven workflows, pretty much you will see a lot of automations and intelligent applications. All right. So I hope you've seen some big picture of agentic AI workflow, and later on we'll do some deep dives.